What can we do to reduce global CO2 emissions and increase the availability of energy at the same time? Our CONNEXIS connectors play an important role in this context, as they provide reliable and efficient connections for the electrical infrastructure. They support the networking and integration of renewable energy sources, such as in the battery energy storage system, which is essential for the implementation of the all-electric society. And our product manager, Andre, will explain us today how this all works. Hi, Andre.
Hi, Anna.
So we are sitting here in the Phoenix Contact All-Electric Society Park, and we see this big battery energy storage system here next to us. And can you explain us what CONNEXIS has to do with it?
So, with the release of CONNEXIS 2 years ago, we reacted to market trends. Strong growing market, such as energy sectors with applications like this battery management systems, have to be wired really quick and efficient. The reason is clear, we need a lot of these devices. And with CONNEXIS we have a system that all of this makes possible.
And we see two CONNEXIS products in your hand, one with crimp and the other one with push-in connection technology. Can you tell us why you developed the one with push-in technology?
So at this point I want to start with the crimp version. So we use the crimping technology to plan and prepare the cable harnesses. In case of our battery management system, it means we already know before the installation process the device and the cable length inside. So we can plan and prepare everything in the factory and deliver a complete wiring harness to the customer. Now to the push-in version. In the case of our battery management systems, we bring it to the all-electric society, and then we need our push-in version. We have to connect the storage here in the, for example, all-electric society park, or we have to connect different sensors to monitor the storage system.
And what other advantages do we have when we especially take a look at the push-in variant?
The push-in version, the big advantage is clear. So we can connect the wires without a tool here in the field directly. But that's not all. With this version, we have a new plug in the same design like our crimping connector. This means we can use all of the advantages from the whole system. This is unique on the market. Two of the advantages are for sure our service points. We can use our integrated coding system, or we can use our printing service.
So you have mentioned a lot of features when it comes to the application, for example, battery energy storage systems. But what other applications do we have when we talk about the push-in CONNEXIS?
As you mentioned, for sure, we see our product in the strong growing energy market. But this is not all. When we have a look into the building sector, we see our new products in applications like the elevator or escalator. And when we have a look at the industry market, we see our products for sure in the big robotics applications.
Yeah. And when we take a look into the future, is there more to come? Can we expect more?
So with CONNEXIS we have always big plans, but at the moment we try to simplify the development of wiring harnesses. That means we want to offer our customers more services. At the moment we offer our customers drawing and 3D models in our e-shop, and the next step would be that we offer an online configurator, so the customer can go on our landing page and develop their own wiring harness. On the other side, for sure, we're thinking of new products like this. So in the future we are looking for different product families and other products, how we can expand our portfolio.
Yeah, thank you, Andre. So there's more to come, and that is the same for the All-Electric Society. And if you want to learn more about our CONNEXIS portfolio, visit us at phoenixcontact.com or subscribe to our various social media channels. Thank you, have a nice day, and goodbye.